Hello aviators, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate the operating cost of a Cessna 172. It's very simple. We have two types of cost when you operating. First cost is the fixed cost, and then you have the variable cost. The fixed cost consists on the owner revision, the parking, and the insurance of the plane. The owner revision is $1,350 per year, and that's it, 112 with $50 per month. The parking is $1,200 per year and $100 per month. The insurance for a Cessna 172 is $1,100 per year. Per month is $91 with $66. The total fixed cost is $3,650 per year, and per month is $304 with $16. Then you have the variable cost. The variable cost consists on the fuel, engine maintenance, and oil. The Cessna 172 burns 8.5 gallons per hour. In liters is 32 liters per hour. The price of gas is approximately $2 with $27 per liter. So in total, 1 hour of fuel is $72 with $64. The engine maintenance is $12 with $77 per hour, and the oil is $3 per hour. The total variable costs per hour are 88 with $41. If we fly 100 hours per year, the total costs are $8,841 per year. Per month, they are $736 with $75. If we put together the fixed cost and the variable cost, they are $3,650 plus $8,841. In total, they are $12,491 per year. If we fly 100 hours per year, the cost of an hour will be $134 with $91. I hope you liked the video and see you the next time, aviators. Bye.